Hello, my name is Paul Chern, Product Manager at Illumina, and I'm going to show you how to perform on-premises amplicon analysis using the Illumina Local Run Manager, or LRM. To set up your sequencing run and analysis through Local Run Manager, select DNA amplicon from the Analysis module list, and you'll be taken to the Run Setup screen. From here, you can enter sample information, sequencing settings, and analysis parameters. After saving the run settings, the run will be queued for sequencing and can be selected through the sequencing instrument control software. Once sequencing has completed, Local Run Manager will automatically start analyzing your sequencing data using the DNA amplicon analysis module. Local Run Manager supports analyzing sequencing data from MiniSeq, MiSeq, and NextSeq sequencing systems. Additionally, an off-instrument version of Local Run Manager is also available if you wish to install the software on a separate computer. We hope you've learned how simple and easy it is to analyze your targeted NGS data using Local Run Manager and the AmpliSeq for Illumina solution.